Hey guys! Welcome to VidiKit channel. Today, in this video, I'll teach you how to record video in 4K. First, you should find and install a screen recorder that supports recording video in 4K, like Joyoshare VidiKit, and run it on your computer. Select Record and choose Screen Recorder. You can turn on the microphone to grab your sound from the microphone, and customize the system audio. Confirm record video and audio mode so that you can capture screen and sound at the same time. Click the Options button to reset recording settings. Here, you can change storage location and output video format. It should be noted that you need to choose the 4K video format when you change the format. Tap the gear icon at the top right corner to specify codec quality, resolution, channel according to your intention. You are able to set watermark and change its position, scale, and transparency as you want. The buttons like the record time option, shortcuts, and cursor options in this powerful panel are also available for you. Hit the rectangle button to customize the recording area by dragging and dropping the blue frame. After confirming your recording area, get the content that you want to record ready, and press the rec button to start recording. The minimize toolbar is used to skip, stop, and cut unwanted content and ads as you want. Once you have done your recording, it allows you to edit and rename your well-recorded videos. So guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and smash that like button. I'll see you next time.